He said something in music that is forbidden to the culture, and when we disagree and dismiss it, he went out the way and tell me to dismiss that. And him go sing song and defend it. And then we despise him.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. People, go stream Alkaline's Keyman. Yo, the song is lit and them attack enough people, including this man you see here, Bunty Killer. So, Bunty Killer, yo, Rico, big up yourself. ADF family, big up yourself. Yo, your files dig up. Your files dig up. And we're asking for some explanation. You have an issue with Alkaline. I use the word Brawta and then doubling down on using the word Brawta because they used it in 2 songs, right? Here's ChatGPT's definition of Brawta. As you can see, it's an expression. It means extra. You know, and some of them eat KFC's big meal Brawta the other day. So, Bunty Killer's files was digged up. Bunty Killer has used the word Brawta, and even in a worse way, and also some questionable lyrics. Let's listen. Right? So there's your evidence. He said with his own mouth. Man saying the song. Scare them. We the girl them after. We give them over an hour and them still run Brawta. Then them use a next creepy line where it say women all present them data. Then them say them here boat with money and plan for eat without. Gala eat without and me will freak you out. You should have used your head. What make you use your mouth? Like, come on, freaky deaky. This is 16 years ago. This definitely was not cool for the culture. Bunty? So why is Bunty Killer really mad? Is it because Alkaline brought back the word and then used it and what you want credit for it? This is just showing the hypocrisy in dancehall music. We wanted to point this out just to show the hypocrisy. Anyhow, Alkaline not afraid of you. Him use the word again. So Alkaline has now tripled down on it. What are you going to do about it, Bunty? Really and truly. Honestly, you were talking about the freaky stuff from way back when. How many decades ago? Please. You know what? Let's just call it out. Where's the lyrical war? Where's the lyrical war? If she's so angry, let's get in the studio, Bunty Killer. Anyhow, remember to like, subscribe, people, and never believe the hype.